What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here in a 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Make sure you see the playlist link that'll pop up at the end of the video with all kinds of videos about this particular car. And we have all kinds of cool videos relating to motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, working stuff around the house. Just hundreds of videos on our channel, so make sure you check it out. If you have one of these vehicles, I believe the newer Jeep Grand Cherokees have a similar feature called LaneSense. You see if you go to the settings screen on your display and get into safety and driving assistance, scroll down and you'll see LaneSense. Okay, and to turn it on is that button, that guy right there, next to the eco button. That's how you disable it or enable it. Okay, so that right there. I'm not a fan of it personally because it doesn't keep the vehicle in the center of the lane. It will let the car drift all the way to the edge of the lane and then it'll bring it back. But come on now, whoever designed this feature, total nitwit, because most, especially on highways where you would use a feature like this, most of these highways are the same width pretty much anywhere you drive, especially on major expressways. So all they had to do was set the width of the lane as a parameter, in the system, and then it could, maintain its center throughout the driving lane. But no, when you enable LaneSense and then set your adaptive cruise control. Sometimes you need to turn on adaptive cruise control to use LaneSense, but not always. Sometimes you can just turn it on with the button down there. When you enable it and maybe you just need to take your hand off the wheel for a moment, do it safely or whatever, and it's drifting all the way to the edge of the lane and then it brings it back, and it's just not convenient at all, honestly. I mean, yeah, I know this car is 2017, so it's not like it's a newer vehicle, so the features may have gotten better over the years, but for this particular model, I am not a fan of it. And not because I'm trying to be all hardcore on controlling my vehicle at all times, because some of the cruise features are quite good, but that particular one, not so good. Anyway, that's how you get to it. If you want to make adjustments to it, just look in your safety and driving assistance category of your settings on your Uconnect screen, and turn it on or off with that little button right there that looks like a lane with a car drifting around in it. And that's it. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. And shoot us a donation, or any YouTube channel that offers a good video that helps you out. Make sure you click as the Department of Public Safety is over there, click the thanks button underneath. We really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, follow, and see the videos that I have performance upgrades on this vehicle as well. I've got the Mopar performance exhaust, huge upgrade, and I also have the Diablo Sport tuner, a chip tuner, but you have to replace the PCM to do it. I have videos about that as well, and it totally wakes this vehicle up. That was really not that fun to drive as far as performance, and now it is. So check out all those videos on our channel. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.